Understanding the phrase, standoff. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have come across in conversations, news, or movies, standoff. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means, but also how to use it in various contexts. Let's get started. A standoff is a situation in which two or more parties are unable to come to an agreement or resolution. Think of it as a sort of stalemate where neither side is willing to give in or back down. It can be used both in literal and figurative contexts. Example 1. There was a standoff between the police and the suspect who refused to surrender. Example 2. The two companies were in a standoff over the terms of the merger. The word standoff originates from the words stand and off. The idea is that the parties involved are essentially standing off or maintaining distance from each other, neither advancing nor retreating. Understanding synonyms can help enrich your vocabulary. Some synonyms for standoff are deadlock, impasse, stalemate, gridlock. Each of these words can be used in similar contexts but may carry slightly different nuances. Let's look at a few more examples to better understand its usage. Example 1. The negotiations ended in a standoff, with neither side willing to compromise. Example 2. There was a tense standoff at the border as troops from both nations faced each other. Example 3. The debate ended in a standoff, with neither party able to convince the other. There you have it. The term standoff is a versatile phrase used to describe a situation where there's a lack of progress due to conflicting parties. Whether you're reading a newspaper, watching a drama, or involved in a debate, now you'll know exactly what it means when you encounter this term. We hope this video has been insightful and helps you in your English language journey. See you next time.